Hello kids, let's learn colors name. Blue color, which color kids? Blue color. Yellow color, which color kids? Yellow. Pink color, which color kids? Pink. Brown color, which color kids? Brown. Violet color, which color kids? Violet. Light blue color, which color kids? Light blue. Let's learn alphabets and numbers. A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for dog. E for elephant. F for fish. G for grapes. H for horse. I for ice cream. J for jellyfish. K for kite. L for log. M for mango. N for nest. O for orange. P for panda. Q for queen. R for rabbit. S for sun. T for tomato. U for umbrella. V for violin. W for watermelon. X for Xmas tree. Y for yak. Z for zebra. Let's learn numbers. 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.